What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can create a group chat on Telegram. Creating a group chat on Telegram is simple and efficient. With the ability to include up to 200,000 members, you can easily connect with friends, family, or colleagues. Customize your group settings, manage permissions, and share invite links to enhance communication and collaboration with your community. To create a group chat on Telegram, first we need to go ahead and open up Telegram app on our device. And from here, tap on the three bars on the top left corner of your screen. And here, tap on New Group. Now, select the members of this new group. So I will just pick random people from this one. And once you're done selecting the members, tap on the arrow on the bottom right corner. Now here, you can give your group a name. So I will just call this one Sample. And you can upload a photo. You can tap on this icon right here. So you can choose a photo, or you can also use an emoji. So for this one, let's choose an emoji. Let's use this one. Tap on Set Photo. Now, when you're satisfied with this one, you can go ahead and tap on the check icon. And you can start messaging the members of this chat group. Now, if you want to add members, just tap on Add Member right here, or you can tap on the name of your group, and here you can tap on Add Member. Now you can go ahead and tap on the pencil icon here to edit your group, and in here you can edit your permissions, so you can make anyone your admin for this group, and also you can copy the link for this one. So you can go ahead and tap on copy and share this link to your friends on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, or X, and they are going to be added here in this group chat. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.